Good morning, dear student. Now we will discuss about the polarity test of single phase transformer. In a polarity test of single phase transformer, we have to take a single phase transformer and we are connecting measuring instrument according to this figure. This is the primary winding of single phase transformer and this is secondary winding of single phase transformer. And point A2 and this point, we have to connect voltmeter through A2 and A1 and A2 dash and short circuited to A1 and A1 dash. First of all, we have to check the voltmeter. If voltmeter reading is E1 minus E2, then this is the negative polarity and this is the positive polarity. And if we are connecting again same arrangement and we find the reading of the voltmeter. If the voltmeter reading is E1 plus E2, then this polarity will be positive and this polarity will be negative. With the help of this method, we have to find the polarity of secondary winding of single phase transformer. This is the known as polarity test of transformer. Again, we will discuss about in detail. First, as performed to find the relative polarity high voltage and low voltage terminal at any state. High voltage terminal A1 and A2 and first mark as a plus and negative random. Determine A1 short with one terminal of low winding. Voltmeter is connected to between A2 and remaining low voltage winding. It voltmeter read E1 minus E2 subtractive polarity, then low voltage terminal connected to A2 will be positive and mark as A1 and other low voltage terminal connected to A2 will be negative as mark in A2 in figure A. If voltmeter read E1 plus E2 additional polarity, then low voltage terminal connected to A1 A2 will be negative and positive respectively and mark A2 and A1, and these mean that when A1 is positive oblique negative with respect to A1 at any given instant of time, the small a1 will be positive oblique negative with respect to A2 and that given to instant. Thank you very much.